Hi, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the first lecture of medical abbreviations. In this video lecture, we will discuss the following five medical abbreviations such as A&E, ABC, AC, ACE, and ACH. The pattern of the discussion will be first we will discuss the full form of its abbreviation, followed by its origin, means whether it is derived from languages such as Latin, and its use or its clinical application. So let's begin. So the first term is A&E. The full form of this English abbreviation is accident and emergency. So A&E, it refers to the hospital department for emergency medical care. It is equivalent to the ER, emergency room, that is the term used in the United States. The next abbreviation is ABC. The full form of ABC is airway, breathing, and circulation. So it is a primary survey that is performed in emergency medicine to assess critical patient stability. For example, airway, ensure the airway is open. Breathing, check for effective respiration. And the C is assess pulse and bleeding. The next abbreviation is AC. It is derived from Latin, which means antecedum. In English, it means before meals. So this is a term that is abbreviation that is mostly used on prescriptions, used to describe the medication timings. This abbreviation is used to prescribe when drugs work better on an empty stomach. For example, take one tablet AC. It means take one tablet before meal or empty stomach. The opposite to AC is PC, which means in Latin post cibum, which means after meals. The next abbreviation is ACE. The full form of ACE is angiotensin converting enzyme. This enzyme, it is released by the vascular endothelium of major arteries, for example, lungs and kidneys, and this enzyme, it is a part of the hormone system that regulates the blood pressure of the body. Now, the clinical relevance is the ACE inhibitors, they are given to treat the hypertension. For example, lisinopril, it is an ACE or the angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor that is given to the patients of hypertension and heart failure. ACH, the full form is a neurotransmitter known as acetylcholine. The acetylcholine neurotransmitter is critical for muscle movement and autonomic functions such as digestion, respiration, etc. Thank you very much for watching this lecture.